Join us on Friday, April 19th at 9 a.m. at the Fairfax County Government Center Board Auditorium to learn how you can fight back against con artists. Con artists don't care how hard you've worked for your money. They steal billions of dollars from hardworking Americans every year. With advances in artificial intelligence, scams can be hard to identify. Criminals make it hard to spot fraud by using AI to mimic voices, alter photos, and avoid spelling and grammar mistakes. That's why AARP Virginia and Fairfax County's Silver Shield Task Force invites you to join the 7th Annual Scam Jam. This year's Scam Jam will feature Dr. Stephen Ruth, a professor at George Mason University. You'll meet an advocate in the fight against fraud and hear her personal story of losing money to a grandparent scam and what she's doing about it. You'll learn the red flags to spot scams and protect yourself and your family, as well as how to report fraud. You'll also hear from representatives of the American Bankers Association and cybersecurity experts with the FBI. Exhibits and free resources will be available from local, state, and federal agencies to help you protect yourself and warn others. Doors open at 8:30 a.m. and the program begins at 9 o'clock a.m. All in-person participants must register at events.aarp.org/FFXSJ24 or scan the QR code on the screen. You can also watch the event live on Channel 16 or on Channel 16's live video stream.